Heroic Showdown 4. Pretty easy to do. It's actually, I think, easier than 3. First thing, going to bring in Leonard, put him on hold. All the units are going to try to kill him. Bring in Devin, put him on hold. Come on, bring in Forrest. Put Forrest, deselect. And then we're going to clean the base out with the aggressors that spawn. And eventually you're going to get a whole bunch of aggressors that spawn. And then you'll have plenty to clean the base out. All right, let's get over here and get these guys. Just keep shocking them and then they won't shoot you anymore. There we go. Get rid of him. Get rid of a few of these. Take out the turrets first because they'll take the support away and they'll die quicker. All right, let's go over here and take some more of these babies. There's 4 of them here, so let's just shock them all. All right, let's clean out a little bit of the front here. Hey, where are you going? Get over here. There's no right and wrong way to do it. Just clean it out however you like to do it. Let's get rid of the ground. Let's get rid of the ground. There you go. Shock them, kill them. Hey, where are you going? We don't want to have to come back over here, so we'll clean out this whole side. It's kind of boring, but it's not hard. You don't really need to shoot all these troops because they're going to go up there and try to kill everything that's up there. And the Forest, the Devon, and the Leonard will take care of themselves. Basically just killing what kills us. But then to keep from having to come back here, because the longer you're in the base, the more units you're going to have to kill. So the sooner you can get out of here, the better. So kill them and move on to the next section. Because the travel back and forth across the base is what wastes time. Once we get rid of him, there's nothing else that will shoot us. And we just clean it out. All right, that's it. Now just clean up in aisle 5. These ones, for whatever reason, those rails don't shoot, so ignore them. There's 2 rails that don't shoot. So that's why I didn't kill them earlier. They're just there for looks. And they look pretty ugly. And you're done. See what we got. 3 million, that's not bad. A boost. Let's see how much damage. Literally, there should be less than a minute. Let's go in the base and see what we have. "34 seconds for Forest." Let's restart. All right, what do we got? 11 seconds. We got Devin. We got Leonard. And there it is. Go and do.